Here's the Heathkit 1144 power supply. I just shoehorned in a new full wave bridge rectifier. It's not a very neat job because I couldn't get it hot and the wires kept melting from the transformer. But the trick is you got to get a lot of solder on there because that's going to handle 20 amps. So it doesn't look real neat, but it's got a lot of contact and solder, so I think it'll be fine. At any rate, all connected, and I got voltage now, so that's all working out. In fact, I'll show you here what's going on. So the raw voltage, I think it's around 28 volts out of this thing. 28 volts, right about there, right? The rectifier, yeah, about 28 volts. And of course the radio wants 13.8 volts. So that's the story there. Let's put this thing down. This thing is built like a ship. Built like a battleship. Hasn't been dependable, but it's built nice, I guess, for what it is. All right, power going up to the rig. That comes off of there. And we got 13.8 volts roughly, that's all I need. So put the lid back on this thing and call it done. You can adjust the voltage right here. That IC chip is proprietary, or it's weird or something. It's not in the 1144A supply, so they got rid of that. Not that I've owned a 1144A, but I'm kind of stuck with this one, huh? There's the 3055s in the back. Yeah, they aren't too pretty looking, are they? They got a lot of slop on them. I was kind of running on a mica when I put this in there. Didn't really have good mica on the back, but nothing's shorted out yet. These have like a little mica shield between this and the ground to conduct heat and not electricity, so what are you gonna do? Anyway, who cares? They're working, they're passing. The heat's going to the heat sink. That's all that has to happen. So now it's time to put the lid back on this thing. Put it back on the radio and take the laboratory power supply off it and see how it goes, okay? I guess I could check for ripple too and see how much ripple's in this thing. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day.